Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Flywire Review My Usage Experience. Flywire Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for students and institutions to review and manage international tuition payments. Its main purpose is to streamline the payment process for international education, making it easier and more transparent for both senders and receivers of funds. Key features likely include payment tracking, multiple currency support, and secure transaction processing. Their website provides details on their various payment options and security measures. Flywire positions itself as a secure and reliable alternative to traditional banking methods for international transactions, emphasizing transparency and ease of use. They highlight features like real-time tracking and multiple payment choices, but specifics regarding pricing are best found on their site. Availability is global, catering to a worldwide student population. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Flywire Review My Usage Experience. I recently used Flywire to pay my university tuition fees from overseas. Getting started was incredibly easy. The website's intuitive design guided me through the entire process. I simply entered the invoice details, selected my preferred payment method, credit card, in my case, and followed the steps. The interface was clean and easy to navigate, allowing me to track my payment at every stage. The entire process was remarkably smooth. I received email confirmations at each step, and the payment reflected in my university account within a few days, faster than I expected using traditional bank transfers. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, providing a clear visual representation of my payment status. The standout feature for me was definitely the real-time tracking. I could see exactly where my payment was in the process, eliminating any anxiety about it getting lost. One minor drawback was the slightly high transaction fee, though this is typical for international money transfers. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Flywire. It made a stressful process, paying international tuition, significantly easier and more transparent. That's my overview of Flywire Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.